Hello, fellow travelers. I'm Vadim from My Sky Help, your guide to smart and stress-free adventures. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a cross-continental journey, there are 20 common mistakes that can ruin your trip and drain your wallet. Today, we'll go through each one with real examples, practical tips, and stories from travelers who learned the hard way. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, skipping visa research. Even if you're just transiting through a country, you might need a visa. One traveler booked a flight through Canada. Didn't realize he needed a transit visa. He was denied boarding. Always check entry rules for every country on your route. Don't assume anything. Even short layovers can require paperwork. Mistake number 2, traveling without insurance. A sprained ankle in Thailand? That's a $300 clinic visit. Food poisoning in Italy? Ambulance, tests, and meds, over 800 euros. Travel insurance costs less than dinner out. It's peace of mind you'll be grateful for when things go wrong. Mistake number 3, trusting hotel photos without reading reviews. Photos can be staged. Reviews reveal the truth. One traveler booked a beachfront villa. It was 2 kilometers from the beach, next to a noisy road. Always read recent reviews. Look for patterns. If multiple guests mention noise, dirt, or scams, believe them. Mistake number 4, assuming the airport is close to the city. Some airports are 2 to 3 hours away. Flying into Paris-Beauvais? That's not Paris. Budget flights often land far. Factor in transfer costs and time, or your cheap flight won't be so cheap. Mistake number 5, overpacking. Airlines charge for every extra kilo. One traveler paid 120 euros for 6 kilograms overweight. Pack versatile clothes, use packing cubes, weigh your bag before leaving home, and leave space for souvenirs. Mistake number 6, not making copies of your documents. Lost passport equals lost access to everything. Keep digital and paper copies of your passport, visa, insurance, and tickets. Store them in separate bags or cloud storage. Mistake number 7, ignoring local laws. Chewing gum in Singapore? Big fine. In Dubai, public affection can get you arrested. Know before you go. Respect local rules. Mistake number 8, exchanging money at the airport. Rates are brutal. Use ATMs or local banks for better deals. One traveler lost 30% of his budget just by exchanging at the airport. Mistake number 9, assuming transport works like home. Tuk-tuks, metro, Uber, each country has its own rhythm. In Tokyo, rush hour means no luggage space. In Bali, Uber might be banned. Research local transport before arrival. Mistake number 10, waiting to book popular attractions. They sell out fast. Want to visit the Louvre or climb Machu Picchu? Book weeks in advance. Don't rely on last-minute luck. If your flight was delayed or canceled, My Sky Help can help you get compensation, up to 600 euros. No stress, no upfront payments. Just fill out your flight info on our website, and our team will handle the rest. Our commission of 25 to 28% is deducted only after the airline pays you. Visit myskyhelp.com. Mistake number 11, eating at the first restaurant you see. Tourist traps are everywhere. One traveler paid 40 euros for frozen pasta near the Colosseum. Check reviews, ask locals, walk a few blocks away from tourist zones. Mistake number 12, ignoring the season. Monsoon, heat waves, or crowds can ruin your vibe. Thailand in October, rain every day. Rome in August, closed shops and 40 degrees Celsius heat. Check climate and holidays before booking. Mistake number 13, forgetting your adapter. No charger equals no phone equals no maps. Different countries use different plugs. Bring a universal adapter and a power bank. Mistake number 14, skipping basic phrases. Even thank you builds bridges. Locals appreciate the effort. One traveler in Japan got free dessert just for saying arigato. Mistake number 15, assuming places are open. Check hours. Sunday closures are real. One traveler arrived at a famous castle, closed for maintenance. Always double-check opening times. Mistake number 16, forgetting local holidays. You might arrive during a festival or a shutdown. In India, Holi means color everywhere. In Spain, Semana Santa means closed banks. Plan around local events. Mistake number 17, traveling without a backup plan. Flights cancel, weather changes, have alternatives ready, extra hotel options, flexible tickets, offline maps. Flexibility is your best friend. Mistake number 18, ignoring baggage rules. Liquids, souvenirs, sharp items. Check before you pack. One traveler lost 200 euros worth of wine at security. No airline rules. Pack smart. Mistake number 19, throwing away receipts. You might be eligible for tax refunds. In Europe, tax-free shopping can save you 10 to 20%. Keep receipts. Ask for refund forms. Mistake number 20, forgetting to rest. Burnout ruins the best itinerary. Don't treat travel like a checklist. Slow down. Enjoy the moment. Sometimes the best memories come from doing nothing at all. Still watching? Don't forget to subscribe. It helps us grow and bring you more travel wisdom. And now, let's play a game in the comments. Write something kind to another traveler. Maybe a wish for a great trip. Then suggest a destination you love. The next person who reads it will go there and leave their own tip for someone else. Let's build a chain of good vibes and travel ideas. If you've ever made one of these mistakes, share your story. We learn best from each other. And if you see a comment that made you smile, reply with something nice. Let's make this the most positive travel community on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'm Vadim from My Sky Help. Travel smart, stay kind, and may your next trip be your best yet. And if your flight was delayed or canceled, don't forget, visit myskyhelp.com. We'll help you get compensation up to 600 euros. No stress, no upfront payments. Just fill out your flight info, and our team will handle the rest. Our commission of 25 to 28% is deducted only after the airline pays you. See you in the next video, and in the comments below,